All right, in the last video, we've created the setups. We've got our 3 setups done. This video, we're going to create the piece of stock that we're going to cut this out of. And stock is just a fancy word for the board that we're cutting this out of or the metal that we're cutting this out of. So we're going to double click on the little icon of the setup apron. So radio button's on it. And I'm going to go over to models. And I'm going to turn off the leg and turn on the apron. This grayed out box is the stock that we're talking about and how we have to set this up. The stock on this is this yellow button right here. That's why it's kind of this yellowed out button here. The mode we always do, relative size box, because we want it to be a relative rectangle around this. There's other modes in here, but relative size box right now. And then since we're already cutting this on the table saw and planer and all that to the right size, we're going to go no additional stock. So I'm going to zoom in here and show you what that looks like. So this is additional stock. So it's the box is a little bit bigger than our board by 4/100ths of an inch. We want no additional stock, so the stock is the exact same size as our board is. I'm going to hit OK there. That one's done. I'm going to come over to Setup Support. Again, there's the stock from the apron, and we're going to see why that's done down there in a second. I'm going to come over here, go to the stock button. Instead of from previous, that's why it's the apron stock yet. We're going to go to relative size box. Oh, there we go. It went on the support. Really nice and easy. And no additional stock. And hit OK. There we go. We got our piece of stock for the support. And last, we're going to go to that leg. Double click on the setup. Stock. I don't want it from previous. I don't want the support. I want relative size box. And no additional stock. Same settings all the way through. So now I can see that leg that I actually made in the shop. Hitting OK there, and you are done setting up stock.